Hi, good day to everyone. By day, I mean night, because it's 1 in the morning right now. Um, Welcome back to some more Daily Rainy Nonograms. A bit of a improvised intro right there, but that'll do. Okay, as I said, it is 1 in the morning. It is November 12th, but we are doing November 11th puzzle. So, um, I okay, even before I started recording, I already like had a glance at this. Look at this. Look at that. 3, 10, 2, 10. I gotta see where does that reach? 3, 10, 2, 10. Dude, that's -2. All right, I'm just gonna wing this. I think this might be this might be a short video. All right, without further ado, let's begin. So, this is -2, -2, -2, -2, -2, 3, 12, 5, 1, 1, -4, like that. 2, 1, 2, 12. Does that reach anywhere? Yeah, -10. 4, 14. Does that reach anywhere? That's -11. So, like this. 10, 10 minus 9. Okay. 13, 13, 9. That's -7. Alright. 16. 2, 7, 6, 5, 5, 5, 3, 2, 1, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 2. Yeah. Oh, also, sorry. In my excitement, I forgot to mention we have really many fan again kindly listening in to my gameplay right now. So I hope this is enjoyable for them because this is uncharacteristically a really really smooth opener. It actually looks really good. Alright. So, alright. So that's our first 10. 2, 2. Uh, Thank you. You guys wouldn't hear that, but Really Rainy Fan just wished me good luck. Thank you, Really Rainy Fan. Love you always, Really Rainy Fan. Thanks, I appreciate you. 4643 is already complete. It's fine, I won't edit that out. That's a 3. That's a 1. That's our 10 right there. That's another 10. Alright. Let me just do a quick check. Because I don't want to waste this start. Am I still correct? Yeah, I'm still correct. I just didn't want to waste that start. Alright, 4, 5, 3. Then that's a 4. That's a 5. Yes. We can extend that 8. That's a 5. That's a 1. That's an 8. That's an 8. That's a 10. That's a 9. Okay. 1, 1, 3, 6, 4. Nice. 3, 2, 3, 2. Like that. 2, 2, 2, 3. 1, 1. This is a 1. Yep. This is that's our 4 right there. This is an 8. And there's a 1, 2 down here. Dude, this is amazing progress. This is 10. This is 9. I don't want to rush too much. I think I am going like pretty fast right now, but I don't want to rush and like make a stupid mistake. I don't want to waste this chance at having like a really good start. That's a 4. So that's a 3. That's a 4 right there. Nothing here. That's part of the 6. This is a 10. That's a 13. That's a 3. That's a 3. That's a 3. 4. Nothing here. That's a 2. Nothing. Yeah, looks great. Looks great. This is a 2, definitely. That's a 4. That's a 4. That's a 3. There's a 1 over here, and this is an 11. So we can extend that to here, I believe. Yep. So that's a 6. That looks like a 4 to me. This is another 4. Nothing here, nothing here. That's an 11 right there. That's nothing. There's a 6 here. There's a 5 here. Nothing and 1. That completes that. 4, 5, 3 completes. 3, 5, 8, 2. Okay. 1, 1, 1, 1, 7. That's a 3. This is a 10. Uh-oh. This is okay. Wait. Okay, I'm still good. I'm still good. I thought I made a mistake there. Okay. This is a 10. It's a 9. 13, 2, 4. Yeah. All right. Our 13 we can limit to here. It's a 6 minus 5. 3, 2, 3, 2. This is a 10 that completes. Nothing here. 2, 3. 2, 5, 8, 9, like that. 1, 1, 3, 6, 4. Alright. 3, 5, 8, 2. Nothing here. That's a 7. Completes. Yep. Very nice. That's a 6. That's a 2. That's a 1. That's a 3. That's a 4. This is a 12. Okay, so 12 and then 2. That has to be the 1. Minus 1 here. That's a 2. Nothing here. This has to be a 1, and this has to be an 11. This has to be a 2. Amazing start, guys. We are already like halfway finished. This is an incredible start. Where to go now? This is a 3. Yeah. I'm still good, right? Yeah, I'm still good. We're pretty much halfway done. That's a 9. So if I go fast enough, maybe I even catch really rainy fan still awake. 1, 1, 3, 6, 4, 1, 1. There. That's a 4. That's 14. There's a block there. 2, 2, 3, 5, 4, 5, 4. This is an 8. Yeah, that completes. This is an 8. So 4. There's nothing here. Alright. That's a 4 right there. So 2, 6, 2. And then that's a 2. This completes that. We can almost finish this 8. Yeah, pretty much almost finish that. That is a 1 right there. Yeah. That's 4. This is also a 1. Okay, I think we can extend this 11 now, right? This is minus 8, so like that. 6, 3, 7, 1, minus 2. 6, 4, 1, 3. Alright. Oh, that's a 3 right there. So that's all of this cleared. Wow. Wait, is that correct? That's correct. Wow, that cleared up so much of the board. We can extend the 7 now. Nothing here. This is a 1. So that means this is a 2. Nothing here. There's a 6 up here. Minus 2. 6 also up here. Minus 2. Nothing. Nothing here. Nothing here. Wow. Nothing. 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 That's a 4. Nothing here. Nothing here. This is a 3. 1, 1, 11 can be extended. Oh, this has to be part of the 11. So this is a 6. That's a minus, and that's minus 3. So this is a 10 already. That's correct, right? Should be. Yeah, that is correct. 2, 2, 3, 4. This is a 4. Yeah. Yeah, definitely. 3, 4. This is a 4 right here. And, okay. If that's a 4, then this is nothing, which makes this a 2. Which makes this a 4. This is a 1, that's a 5. And then this is a 4. Okay, great. 5, 3, 3, that's everything accounted for. 2, 4, this is part of the 4, so like that. I wish I could figure out this part though. I don't think I can right now, but it's fine. 2, 4, so like this, that's a 5. Yep, right? Yeah. Still good, still good. This... I'm just not sure. This is a 4 though. This is a 1, that's a 3. So if this is a 1, that makes this a 3 also. And this is the 11, which we can just limit now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. Nothing over here. Do we have to limit it to this side too? No, we're good. So that's everything over here. 1, 4. This has to be a 4. This is a 3. 2, 5, 3, 1 completes. This has to be a 3. That has to be a 4. That has to be a 6. That's a 1. Nothing here. That's a 2. Nothing here. So that's an 8. 1, 8, 1 complete. Correct, right? Yeah. That's a 1. Nothing here. That's a 3. That's a 4. That is a 4. Nothing here. 9, 3, 9, 1, 1. 3, 9, 1, 1, 4. This is a 3. 3, 10, 1, 4. Yeah. That's a 3. Nothing here. That's a 4. Minus 1. 2, 6, 2, 3, 2. Like that. That's a 3. That's a 1. That's a 3. 13, 2, 4, 2. Actually, this is complete. So that's a 2. That's a 4. Okay, great. Nothing here. That's a 2. 1, 4. 5. 4, 3. Yep. 16, 3 over here. That has to be a 1. Looks great. Yeah. 2, 2, 3, 4. This is a 1, nothing here. That's why the 13. Let me think for a moment. This is a 3. So that, I'm not sure what that is. Ooh. Where's gonna go? Ah, wait. 2, 2, 3. 3, 1, 2. Yeah. So this is 1. And that's a 3. Alright. 2. Ah, wait. Oh, I'm stupid. I didn't notice. 2. And then 2. And then 3. Like that. So that's a 4. And then that's our 10. And then that's a 3. Oh, I should have noticed that way sooner. I would have been done. Oh, I should have noticed that. 2, 2, 3. 13 right there. That's also a 13. Yep. Am I correct? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Oh no. I'm not correct. Uh-oh. Oh, crap. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. This. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Please. Please. You know what? Oh god. Where the Are we serious? Are we serious? What the crap? What's wrong? Oh god. Damn, this is half my progress. What is going on? What is even wrong? Hello? Jesus. Alright. Well, that's half my progress done. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna take that because I could tell I was like rushing and being impatient. It's fine. You know what? I'll take that with grace. Okay, that's fine. I'll be a lot more patient now. This is a 7. I'm okay. It's fine. It's fine. We can. This is recoverable. It's 10. This is 16. That's a 3. Correct, right? That's a 1. 2, 4. That's a 1. And there's a 3 over here. Yep. This is 13. 13 like that? No. 13 like this. Yeah, and this is also 13. Yeah, we'll build it back. It's fine. We got this. It's fine. It's fine. It's a 2. 6. It's fine. Everything's fine. Yeah. So 2. Yeah, so 2. 3. Yeah, right? Yep. This is an 8. So 1. It's a 3. It's an 8. 1. We will rebuild. It's okay. This is a 3. Nothing here. 4 1. Correct? Yeah, it's okay. It's fine. This is still an amazing start that, I couldn't have asked for, 3, 2 2 3, 5 4, 5 4, 5 1 11, 2. That's a 2. 6 3 7 minus 1, 7 3 6 minus 1, 2 1 3 6 minus 2, 3. That's a 6. 2 6 2 3. Yep. 2 4 2. Nothing here. That's a 4. Nothing here. Yeah. Yeah, we're good. We're good. That's a 3. That's a 1. Right? Has to be. Yeah. I just have to be careful over here because that's where the mistake was. So that's a 1. That's a 3. 11 extendable like this. That is 4 5 4 1 3. This is a 1 and 11 like this. Yeah, right? Yeah, of course. It's a 1 4 3. Nothing here. That's a 7. That's a 2. That's a 4. Complete. 2 2 3 1 2. Yep. 1 4. 1 4 2 4 6. That's a 2. That's a 1. That's a 2. 2 1 1. Nothing here, right? Yeah. All right. We're getting there. That's a 1. So that completes that, right? Yeah. That's a 2. 2 3 2 3 2 like that. 2 2 3 4 1. 3 4 1 5 4. This is a 3. That's a 1. So that's also a 1. Part the 3 and the 4. Alright, gotta be careful with that. Yeah. Just really wanna make sure that I've got that down. Can my scroll wheel cooperate? I'm sorry guys, my scroll wheel is like very buggy. 2 2 3 4 1. 2 3 1 1 4. 2 4 3. That's a 10. Like that. 3 9 1 4. It's a 11 right there. Um 3 1 like this minus 1. It's a 4. I'm correct, right? Yeah, it's okay. We got this. 1 4 1. That's a 3. 1 4 3 4 2 2. So 6 1. Yep. 7 4 1 3 1 4 1 2. 1 1 1 1 7 1 complete. That's a 4. That's a 1. 1 1 11 1 6. Nothing here. It's a 1. It's a 4. Done. That is a 3. That is a 1. That's a 3. And I'm still good. Last 11 pieces. We got this. 4. Just gotta stay calm. 1. Nothing. 1 2 4. Yeah. And then last part. 2 2 2. 2 1 3 1 1. 1 4 3 2. Nothing here. It's a 2. And that should be all. Alright, great. 25-20. Man, nice time. Alright, I'll take that. That was an incredible start. And like, might be the best start in Daily Rain Nonogram history. I'm not sure, but nevertheless, I will upload this tomorrow. Um, I probably like once I get home from school tomorrow because it's pretty late and I want to go to sleep. So, bye guys. Good night.